All you'll need is a pair of pliers and a Torx T20 screwdriver. Before any repairs, always unplug your appliance from the mains. If your dishwasher is an integrated model, pause the video and follow these steps to gain access to replace this part. Start off by removing the lower basket. This cover and seal is found here on the left side of the dishwasher. The cover can be tight to remove, so you may need to start loosening with a pair of pliers. To gain access to the seal, the side panel needs to be removed. Start off by unscrewing the Torx T20 screw on the front. The side panel can then be placed to one side. Then remove the two Torx T20 screws holding the water inlet side chamber in place. Unclip the three connectors holding the side chamber to the dishwasher housing. Looking down to the bottom of the water inlet side chamber, you'll find the rubber seal. Remove this, making note of which way around the seal goes previously attached. Unpackage your new cover and seal. Make sure the seal with the slightly higher raised rubber lip is the side that faces into the middle of the dishwasher and the plastic cover connects to. The lower side is the one that sits on the side chamber. Then attach the new rubber seal to the water chamber. Reclip the three connectors from the side chamber to the dishwasher housing. Rescrew the two Torx T20 screws back in place. Reattach the side panel by lining up the two slots with the two small plastic tabs on the bottom of the dishwasher. Line these up and then pull the panel up to connect it in place. Rescrew the front Torx T20 screw back in place. Screw your new plastic cover on from inside the dishwasher and tighten with a pair of pliers. Reinsert your lower basket. And that's it! Your new dishwasher cover and seal is all set to go.